Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing one of the darkest and most tragic events in human history, the Holocaust. The Holocaust was a systematic persecution and extermination of 6 million Jews by the Nazis during World War II. This event is a reminder of the dangers of prejudice and hate and serves as a lesson for humanity. An overview of the Holocaust. The Holocaust was a genocide that took place between 1933 and 1945. The Nazi regime, under the leadership of Adolf Hitler, targeted Jews, Gypsies, homosexuals, people with disabilities, and other groups that were considered undesirable. The Nazis believed that these groups were inferior and a threat to the Aryan race. The events that led to the Holocaust. The Holocaust did not happen overnight. It was the result of years of propaganda, discrimination, and violence against the Jewish population. In 1933, Hitler became Chancellor of Germany and immediately began implementing anti-Semitic policies. Jews were excluded from public life, their businesses were confiscated, and they were forced to wear a yellow star to identify themselves. In 1938, Kristallnacht, or the Night of Broken Glass, occurred, where Jewish homes, businesses, and synagogues were destroyed by the Nazis. This event marked the beginning of the violent phase of the Holocaust. The experiences of the victims. The victims of the Holocaust suffered unimaginable horrors. Jews were rounded up and transported to concentration camps, where they were forced to work under inhumane conditions. Many were killed in gas chambers or by other means, while others died of starvation, disease, or exhaustion. Some were subjected to medical experiments, and others were used for forced labor. The survivors of the Holocaust faced physical and emotional scars that lasted a lifetime. The resistance and liberation. Despite the odds, many people resisted the Nazi regime. Some Jews joined partisan groups and fought against the Nazis, while others engaged in acts of sabotage. Allied forces, including the United States, Great Britain, and the Soviet Union, eventually liberated the concentration camps. The discovery of the horrors of the Holocaust shocked the world and led to the establishment of the State of Israel in 1948. The aftermath of the Holocaust. After the war, the survivors of the Holocaust faced a difficult road to recovery. Many had lost their families, homes, and possessions. They faced discrimination and anti-Semitism in Europe, leading many to emigrate to Israel, the United States, or other countries. The Nuremberg trials were held to hold the perpetrators of the Holocaust accountable for their actions. The trials marked the first time in history that individuals were prosecuted for crimes against humanity. The legacy of the Holocaust. The legacy of the Holocaust continues to be felt today. It has had a profound impact on world history and human rights. The Holocaust led to the development of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which affirms the dignity and worth of all human beings. The Holocaust also serves as a warning against the dangers of fascism, totalitarianism, and extremist ideologies. We must never forget the lessons of the Holocaust and remain vigilant against any attempts to dehumanize and marginalize groups of people. Remembering the victims. Finally, it is important to remember the 6 million Jews and other victims of the Holocaust. We must honor their memory and ensure that their stories are not forgotten. One way to do this is by visiting Holocaust memorials in museums, such as the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum in Washington, D.C. We can also support organizations that work to promote human rights and combat hate and intolerance. Resources for learning more about the Holocaust. If you are interested in learning more about the Holocaust, there are many resources available. Books such as Night, by Elie Wiesel, and Man's Search for Meaning, by Viktor Frankl provide personal accounts of the Holocaust. The United States Holocaust Memorial Museum's website has a wealth of information, including survivor testimonies, photographs, and historical background. Documentary films such as Shoah and Night and Fog provide a powerful visual depiction of the Holocaust. Educational programs and workshops are also available, including those offered by the Holocaust Education Resource Council. Reflection and action. As we reflect on the tragedy of the Holocaust, it is important to consider our own actions and attitudes towards others. We must strive to be allies for marginalized communities and work towards a society that values diversity and inclusivity. We can challenge hate speech and discriminatory practices, educate ourselves and others about the Holocaust and other genocides, and support organizations that promote human rights and social justice. By taking these steps, we can honor the memory of the victims of the Holocaust and work towards a better future. The Holocaust is a dark chapter in human history, but it is also a testament to the resilience and courage of the human spirit. By remembering the victims and learning from their experiences, we can work towards a more just and compassionate world. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights into the Holocaust and its impact on history and human rights. Thank you for watching, and please share this video with others who may be interested.